local event. All right, so with that said, I'm going to introduce very quickly the first team. So this is the agenda. It's, as I said, it's packed. Oh, by the way, if you use Twitter, you can use hashtag #2SMAC. And now let me introduce the first team with the team leader, Eduardo.
Thank you very much. So hi, guys. Thank you very much for coming today. Thanks to the guys watching on the internet. And we are the Oculus Rift team. My name is Eduardo. He's Jordan. We have the Guilherme here, Juliana, and Antonio. And we have one other member that is not here. But, OK, so let's start. We developed a game called the GeoVR. So GeoVR is the first educational game in geography for the Oculus Rift. I will show you the game. I will explain the game by giving you a quick demo. Frank, can you switch the monitors? Thank you very much. OK, so here you're seeing the main menu. Jordan is helping me. He's holding the Oculus Rift. So the Oculus Rift has two lenses, and you can see two images there. So the left image is for the left lens, and the right image is for the right lens. So it creates a 3D sensation. OK, so let's play the game. You can choose all the countries, or you can choose a continent to play. OK, I will choose the South America to play. So what you're seeing here is the globe. So it's the Earth, and we can see a flag over there. And if you look to your left, OK, we have a text. So the game works just like a quiz. We give you some tips, some information about a country, and then you need to find this country in the globe. OK, can you look forward? So right now, I'm going to show you this device here. This is the Leap Motion. So it captures all of the movements of my hand, so I can play using this device. OK, so I can, let's see. OK, it's working. So if I move my hand to my left, it rotates to my left. If I move to my right, it rotates to my right. OK, up and down. OK, so let's play the game. Can you look again to the tip? Thank you. This country has 5 Nobel Prizes. So I don't know. Let's try Brazil. So it's not Brazil. So can you look again? Because I missed the country, I will receive another tip. So the tip is, there is a city called Ushuaia, which declares itself as the southernmost city in the world. OK, can you look back to the Earth? I will use now the keyboard to control the Earth. OK, so let's try Paraguay. It's wrong again. I received the last tip. This is the final chance, so you can guess. And if you don't get it right, you get electrocuted, OK? Kidding. So does anyone here wants to try this one? We have a joystick here. Anyone? OK, the guy over there. Can you give that? OK. So he's going to try. OK. Oh, you're right. Thank you very much for your participation. So you will receive another country, and then you look back to the tips, and then you find the country. And also you have a score there. You can see the score. This score is going to be uploaded to our web application. OK. Frank, can you switch back? Thank you. So how does it work? How we get this information inside our game? So we have here the infrastructure. We are running the game locally, so in my computer, the game is running. And then we have a web application. This web application has a Cloud-Run database, which is a NoSQL, non-relational database. And then we keep the information about the countries inside this database. So the web application manages this information and gives this information to the country, to the game. So this is the first scenario. We are getting information from the web application. I will show you our web application right now. Frank, monitor. Switch. Yeah, I'm sorry. That's okay. Okay, so here, this is the web application. You have some information about the project there, but we have this share web page here. So in the share web page, you can upload your content to the game. So if you know something about a country, you can go to this web application and you select the continent, the country. Okay, here I will put my name. And here you put something that you know about a country. So I'll put here, it's Canada, so I put Putin was invented in this country. Okay? So then you need to click on add, and it's already in our database, and we are going to review this information before it goes to the game itself. Okay, so Frank, thank you. So this is the first scenario. We are getting information from the web application, and we have also the other way around. So we are sending information to the web application. Okay, so right now what we are doing is storing the information about the head movement. So when Jordan is playing, we are storing this information in the database. Okay, so I will open another page here. Switch again. Thank you. Okay, so what you're seeing is information about the Oculus. As you can see, as Jordan rotates the Oculus, you can see the numbers changing. These are quaternion positions, X, Y, Z, and W. And by looking at these numbers, we can say to which direction the player is looking at. So we are going to start this information. I'm going to open here, okay. So here is my database. So each block that you can see here is equivalent to 1 second in that page. So it is storing the X, Y, Z, and W, and also the seconds, okay? But why store this information? Because we can say, for example, if the player is not looking at the flag, so we can change the flag, the position of the flag, or maybe we can put another component in the game so that the player interacts with the game, with the environment. Okay. Switch back. Thank you. Okay, so our game has been published 2 or 3 days ago. We have some feedback. Some people are tweeting. This is Peggy March. I don't know her, but she's a geographer, tech educator, university instructor. This is good for us because it's made for them. We also have a publication in our website from Brazil, oculusrift.com.br. And they are talking about our project. And also other websites in the world. So stv.re, the publisher wrote to me. There are so few educational center VR demos right now. It's a missed opportunity that I hope will change over time. So we can see that this field has a lot of potential, and we hope to help you guys learn more about the world by playing our game. Thank you very much.